Hey there everyone, thanks so much for dropping by the channel. Today we're switching out the old door in the Caravan for this new one that Floydie made for us. So you can see he's actually made it out of the security screen door, put the alley panel in there. He's also put a window in there for us too, which looks really neat. I will have to put a vent down the bottom there eventually, but for now we're just going to switch it over and get it fitted up in there. I've already removed the old one, so stick about, we're just going to pop this one in. Also, while I got you here, if you're enjoying what we're doing, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Anyway, let's do this. So fitting the door frame in itself, just using silicone, and then finishing off or fitting in with these screws through the frame. Matt's put 3 latches on this side. 1, 2, 3. And that's your security door frame. Cut a vent in there once we're done. Up the top of the door here, I'll probably fit a blind, just a roll down blind or a venetian blind or something like that. That's the door lock, just your standard security style door lock. So I thought I'd just jump in here and show you these hatches that we've made too. So I've got the one at the front here for the slide out kitchen, and I've got the one out the back for the set of drawers that we put in. So again, Matt's used the same stuff as he's used on the door there, the entry door, which is just the security screen frame. I put a piece of checker plate in there, compression lock, so just the compression pop lock there. And this is the hatch that enters into the slide out kitchen. So it's worked out really well. I'll show you the one down the back. So this is the rear hatch door. We thought when doing the renovation it'd be good to be able to access under the bed from the outside. Good for storage and stuff. So this door is a little bit longer than the one at the front. So again, just the pop lock there. And what I actually did is I used the Titan drawers from the King's 4x4 Supacentre. These were originally in my Landcruiser, but they've worked out really well here. For outdoor storage, I've also got the fridge slide on top, which doubles as a table. So drawers both sides, pretty nifty. That's it. So just using a bit of soapy water there on the silicone. I'm just cleaning that silicone off. And she's just about done. Probably needs a little adjustment on the door handle. It's a little bit tight, so that'll just be the little catch there. I can fix that easy enough. Apart from that, it looks pretty cool. Makes a big difference to the van. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you all next time. See ya.